Okay, so today we're going to be wrapping presents. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, it's going to be really tricky because I don't want my children to get their surprises spoiled, so this is going to be very tricky, and it's going to take some clever filming so that nothing is exposed for them to go see ahead of time. What? Oh, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap some of these to where they're neat. And I'm almost out of a couple, but I'm sure there's a few things that I can wrap with those smaller ones. But let's go ahead and get started. I love wrapping. You know what? I don't know if I have tape. But anyways, okay, let's go ahead and get started. I have wrapping paper. I need to get some tape. And then I'm going to try and cleverly film without exposing what the gifts are for them to come and view it beforehand. Okay, so the first thing is this. I got it last year. It was pretty cheap, actually. Oh my gosh, I just peeled off some of the cardboard. But this was on sale, and I grabbed it. And I'm going to probably let my oldest daughter wrap this big old thing up. It's pretty big, it really is. Alright, but I'm going to get her to wrap this, and then I'm going to wrap all kinds of other stuff. Okay, so we've got this first big present done, care of my 11-year-old, almost 12. But she did such a good job. I absolutely love it, and I love this paper. It says peace and joy. I love it. Can't wait to get the rest of the stuff done. If only we had a magic button to just like press and get it all done. That would be great. That would be absolutely fun. Alright, so second present is wrapped, and my 6-year-old just made 6 recently. She helped me with this one for her sister. So each of my children has wrapped a gift that is for their sibling with the promise of no spilling secrets. Yes, but now I'm going to be able to try and get the rest of it all wrapped. Okay, so we kind of had to change plans a little bit. We're moving to right over here. All right, let's go. Okay, so it's been a long time since I tried to get started on wrapping these presents. It is dark outside now. I need to get this done because life has happened today, okay? I have not had the amount of time to devote to this as I would have liked to. But we're moving on. The horrors persist, but so do I. So, let's go ahead and get started. Oh no, name tags are going everywhere. I printed some name tags. I don't have anything written on them yet. I also don't have a pen, but I don't want some of this to be all that visible. I don't know what I can do. Okay. And then this is for me and my husband. This right here is for me. These things need to be wrapped. So, I have a birthday in December, and I used to kind of hate when my birthday would come around. We have not only my birthday, but my sister, my little sister's birthday, and my mom's birthday, all around Christmas. So the birthday season and the Christmas season sometimes had its struggles. And I just didn't always like Christmas when I was growing up. But now I absolutely love Christmas. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright, I gotta get... Ooh. This. I'm going to need a pen. Where is a pen? I have one. Right here. Okay. So this is from me and your father. Okay. So this is how we're going to do this. At least this one. Close enough. Okay. See, it works perfectly. Okay. So actually, I think we're going to do that. And then this. I just scratched the... Alright, so yeah, I haven't always liked the holiday season, but I like it a whole lot more now than when I was younger. We didn't always have a whole bunch of monies when I was growing up, and having 3 birthdays and Christmas all in with basically, I would say within 3 weeks, we had those 4 major events. So all of December, I would say, was kind of a difficult one for the family back when I was younger. Let's see, how am I going to be able to cut this? Well, let's do it this way first. Alright, but Christmas now, as I'm older, it's just a whole lot better. I like it a whole lot more now that I'm the parent. I love it. I love it. It's so much fun. So I have a whole lot of paper right here. It's a little extra. I only need, right here. And we're just gonna eyeball it.
Mommy, are you in here?
Yes, I'm in here. Alright, hold on one moment. I'm having a talk with Santa Claus. On the phone. Don't worry. Yes, Santa, that was Addie. Oh, yes, she's being wonderful this year. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's great to hear. I am making sure she is on my nice list. Ho, ho, ho. That's right, Santa. Well, I'm going to have to let you go, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye. I wonder if she bought that. Maybe she shouldn't see this video until after the holidays, even if I do successfully make it to where you cannot see what has been wrapped. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. And that's another thing. I love giving gifts. When I was younger, I used to be impatient and I would be like, oh my gosh, I want you to open the gifts now. But it's easier to wait as you get older, for me at least, I guess. And I'm excited to see what everyone gets and how excited they are to open their gifts and how happy. I think my youngest one is doing some creeping. Alright, she has to get some stuff done before it's bedtime, so I do have to take a pause. But we are done with this one, and I have a nice little tag for it so I don't get mixed up. Let me just put the tag on this first. I sometimes get the little sticker tags, but I don't have any right now, so I just printed these from Canva. They are so cute. They are like a sad beige color though. But the paper's cute. It's not beige, but it all kind of goes together. The beige looks nice with this, I feel like. Alright, to Addie from your parents. That's literally what it says. And there we go. That is the first one we wrapped together. This might be easier than I kind of anticipated. Yep, she's definitely trying to get in here to see what's going on. Alright, but I have to go get him situated with something, and then I'll be back in a moment. Back in a jiffy. Okay. So, we have this one marked. I'm gonna put, I guess, this there, this, put it right here. This excess that I just cut off is probably great for this little book. But I have two little books. So I wonder if this would, you know what? That side looks a little thicker than this side. And I have a book that's a little thicker than a Snicker. Not really. Why? Why must you say strange things? Just barely. Oh man. I just barely got enough. But guess what? We gonna figure it out, and we gonna do this. Why you had to do that, huh? Love, huh? Okay. So, my little sister's birthday is the last day of the year, and when she was younger, she swore everyone celebrated her birthday. All of the fireworks had to be for her. I mean, right? It's her birthday. So, that was really funny. My birthday in our area, the day before my birthday is usually when sales for fireworks open up. So that's kind of interesting. I don't know if it's still the day that kind of opens up the season for firework sales, but it used to be. It used to be like every time. Every day before my birthday, fireworks stands would pop up. I haven't paid attention to the fireworks stands lately, so I have no idea. Alright, so some of this is a little too much. I don't even think, I don't know. I don't think it's really going to matter. I like to try and not waste copious amounts of wrapping paper. So, being as though this is just barely enough, I might be able to, I don't think. Yeah, I don't know. That's going to have to be for something else, I think. Alright. Buckets! Alright. Anyways, I got to figure out. So this is the last piece. Okay, that's going to work probably. Let's just move you over and whop. Bah! Oh. 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 Whoops. And then, alright. I like wrapping presents. Not everyone likes wrapping presents. I like wrapping presents. Alright, I gotta remember, yeah, okay. I remember who the names are supposed to be on these two. Alright, we're just going to have those right there. Because I want to try and get some of the bigger stuff out the way. Alright. I hope I have enough wrapping paper for this year, because I have not gotten any wrapping paper this year. And I think I should be okay, but I really don't know how far I am from being completed on the shopping for the year. I don't care. That was so crooked. In my head, I was like, oh my gosh, it's crooked. I said out loud, I don't care. No one was, I don't care. It's okay, I don't care. Okay, so after the holiday season is one of my favorite times of the year. You know what that is? Mardi Gras. Why did I say it like that? I said it so weird. Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras. This is not working how I wanted it to. It's a peculiar shaped box. Really don't like how it's trying to mess with me right now. Wow, 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 wow. Such skill. Such skill. Look at how wonderful. I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. Let's do this. I also haven't bought tape for this season. Do like this. Let's fold you up like this. And thank you. So can you believe that the year 2004 was 20 years ago? We're about to be 2025. Wow. Where has the time gone? Where have all the cowboys gone? I don't know why that just made me think of that. Where's the time gone? Where have all the cowboys gone? I don't know. Has anyone answered that question for her? Has anyone answered where the cowboys have gone? Did they find the cowboys? Are they on the Dutton Ranch? Better yet, or are they on the 4-6's ranch or whatever? I think I found the cowboys. So this is such a strange video because normally I would be showing what I got for the kids, but this time I'm just like, hey, you want to wrap presents with me? We don't even have to, I don't need to know what you got your kids. Oh, it's Dad. So like I was saying before, my husband rudely came home from work. I mean, the nerve, right? LOL, just kidding. But I was saying that I don't need to see your kids' gifts and you don't need to see my kids' gifts. It's better that way. We don't have to compare each other. We don't have to compare ourselves. Okay. So now my husband's home and I'm talking to him. I completely forgot that I was doing this video because I got distracted. So that's why I'm now talking to him and not even paying attention to the camera. Still wrapping. You know, I get excited when my husband comes home. He's been working all day, working hard. You know,
I just appreciate him. So when he gets home, all of my attention goes to him. But I do still have a few things to wrap, so we still must continue. The horrors persist, and so do I.
Okay, so my husband just got home, so this video has been chaotic the entire time, and now it's going to be difficult to finish filming because he is right next to where I was filming and going and taking a shower with his speaker really loud, the water running, and it's just a little bit louder than it was previously. But I'm going to try and get finished. Yes, I'm going to try and finish doing the presents, though. I think I have like 3 more things to try and wrap. So I'm going to try and finish it regardless of all the circumstances that have popped up. I just want to be finished with it for now, and then I can have a better idea on what I have left. I feel like I need to wrap what I have to be able to figure out what I need to still get, if that makes sense. I already have everything written down, but I feel like I need it all wrapped now so I can actually see what I'm working with. So anyways, I'm going to start getting it wrapped up again, and I've just warned you that it's a little loud. It's been a pretty chaotic video anyways, so this is a little bit different than what I have done before, and now my light is flickering. What is going on? I'm also using a different light. I usually use the bright light, but this is kind of the soft light. What is going on though? Yeah, I really don't know what's going on with it right now. It's kind of being... Why is it not illuminating all the way? Oh my gosh, this is weird. There we go. It's a little bright. But anyways, I'm going to try and finish doing this before we settle down for the night. Okay, I've tried to move everything out of my husband's way. But if I can finish, that's even better, because I can move all of it out of the way. I did not cut this large enough. Boo-hoo. And now it's ripping. I am continuing. We are moving forward. Moving forward. I'm trying to work fast. Do I have to work fast? Probably not. Do I want to just get this out of the way? Yes. So, but I like when everything's under the tree and everything just looks so pretty. I love going to see Christmas lights in the neighborhood. We don't do caroling, I don't think, in my neck of the woods. I don't think I've ever seen anyone doing any caroling, but we love going to see Christmas lights in the neighborhood. We also have a lot of parks locally that do big light presentations, so that's always fun. Alright, that one's from Dad. This is from, it's not really from anyone, I guess. It's me and Dad. I picked this one out, though. Okay. You know what? I probably... Okay. Yeah, I'm just going with it. I don't like that this is not cutting very easily for me. I can't wait for the rest of Christmas, though. We'll start doing some new traditions with the family. I don't know what new traditions, but it's never too late to start a good tradition. Aha! Trying to really do this to where it's not quite noticeable. Great.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna have to do it like this. This is not working. I think I'm running out of tape. I'm getting flustered. Trying to do surgery. Alright, I think I might move back by the Christmas tree to finish these up. Oh no, I don't remember what one this was though. Oh, okay, I didn't. But is it visible? Okay, this one's... Okay. Okay, I gotta mark these before it gets a little difficult.
Anyway, I'm currently in first place, and at worst I can finish in second place. Win or lose, I'm guaranteed a line. But there's a particularly interesting situation unfolding
Okay.
in this final spot. One of my larger rivals is called Andy, with his name is Andy. Andy currently holds the 6th seed, clinging to playoffs. He's got a tough matchup this week. He's picked on Mike. If Andy wins, he makes the playoffs as the last playoff spot. If Andy loses, and the team in 7th place wins, Andy misses the playoffs. The guy that Andy needs to lose is playing me, as in Zach, like exact guy. So it's not a bit of an explanation. Andy, Zach's rival Andy wins, he's in the playoffs. If Zach, if Andy loses, then the fate is in the hands of the guy running his email. Essentially, the guy running email in the first and second could tank this week so that his arch rival misses the playoffs. Yes, exactly. Right there. Should I bench my entire team and give the 7th place team an automatic win, which means my rival...
Pipsy. Whoops.
Meet me in our spot by the Christmas tree.
Okay, so we are about to get started with finishing wrapping all those gifts. But look at this. I was going to put it on a Christmas movie, one of my favorite recent Christmas movies with Lindsay Lohan. And there's a new one. But not only is Lindsay Lohan in it, but I don't know his real name, but Mr. Ezra. Look.
You cannot tell anyone about us. This is funny.
I'm going to have to watch that, but not right now. I want to find my, there it is. This one. I love this one. Ah, it's so cool. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, let's get started. Or let's finish what we were doing. Okay, but really quickly, that looks like a miniature version of the inside of the Roosevelt Hotel during New Orleans. During New Orleans. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to speak. It's so late. Oh my gosh. In New Orleans, the Roosevelt Hotel has something that looks very similar during Christmas. They just lit it, I think, like 2 days ago.
Excuse you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is happening? What are you doing? Yeah, gross. Gross. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you move? Oh no. Can you watch out? You came close. You almost got me. Oh my goodness. I'm just trying to put it back there. Okay. I have another box. Can I get the other box? Okay. Oh no. That was just this roll of paper falling. Okay. It was just this. Look, look, look. See, look, over here. Look. See? It's just that. That's all it was. Oh my goodness. That's all he was. Oh my God. He just wants to be down there. Okay, let's see if this is a good position for the camera. I don't think it is. Okay. Excuse me, I need to work. Please, where are your manners, good sir? Well, you're a ma'am, actually. Good ma'am. Madame. Where are your manners? Off with you. Go on. Do you think it's because I'm down here on your territory that it's okay for you to just bother me? You're not really bothering me. You're just kind of getting in the way. It's okay though. It's okay though. Can you go that way? Can you go? Can you go? Come on. Right there's good. You can sit. Sit, 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 sit. Stay, sit. Gotta remember which of these. Okay, I know which is which. No, 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 no. Okay, so the camera battery has died. I had to charge it. A little bit of time has gone past, and here we are. This is like becoming hands down the most chaotic video I've ever tried to film. Alright, so this is the larger one. I'm just ready to get it over with at this point. And this is just the first route. I still have other things that I need to wrap that's not here yet. Things that I haven't ordered yet. Things that I haven't shopped for yet. Things that are for family members that are not in this house. I stole this pen from my husband and it's so great. I love that pen. It's probably one of the best pens I've written with ever. Alright, so I haven't finished nearly any of my shopping. I just got started. Let's restart. I just got started with my shopping and I'm trying to wrap all of it. Today is the 5th of December. I still have a lot of stuff that I need to get. I still have a lot of people that I am needing to shop for. I am taking my good old time for some reason. I don't know why. I really like when these cut like butter. I don't like when it gives me problems. Seem to be cutting good so far. Alright. Okay, now let's figure out how I'm going to tape this. I guess we're just going to tape it on up. There's always like little pieces of dog hair getting on the tape. I guess because I'm on the floor. I guess that would make sense. Okay, this is kind of hard actually. Can we just like fold? Can we just do something? I have barely watched any of this movie that I put on. This is so difficult. Okay, remember how I said I liked wrapping presents? I like to take back that statement in this very moment because all of the things are happening. There's hair, but I think this is people hair. Can't blame it on the dog this time, but I can blame it on on the fact that I am on the floor and I didn't vacuum before I started this task. How about that? I didn't vacuum today before I started and I should have probably done that first. I'm a good spot vacuumer. Something happens, got it. Something doesn't happen, does it really need to be vacuumed? The answer is yes. Yes, it should be vacuumed. I want to watch, we went to the mall the other day, and for some reason it was really making me want to watch the movie, the Christmas movie with Ralphie. A Christmas Story. I want to watch it. I don't know if I've watched it in a few years, but I kind of want to watch it. 'Tis the season, eh? I also want to watch the first episode of The Simpsons. Okay. Pretty sure, right? Yes. Whoopsies, whoopsies. Oh no. I don't like it. That's fine. It's okay. Okay. This one's going to be a little easier because there's a little bit extra. That one had like nothing to work with. Hey, that's what people say about my brain. Just kidding. That's what my brain said about myself just now. Which is untrue. Not true at all. Okay. This is getting tiring. I'm so tired of this at this point. I'm tired. I wanna stop. I don't feel as though I can go on. I must. I feel like I'm about to fall asleep. Okay. I'm so ready for bed. Okay. Oh, this is not going to be large enough for anything. Well, maybe something, not the thing I want to do right now. Each time I do that, I'm like, alright. Good enough, mate? Hey, I haven't used one little piece of tape at all yet. Oh. Okay. Oh, I have wings in the oven and I can smell them getting possibly a little too crispy. Is that good? Sure, what did I just wrap? I remember. The next two things I'm wrapping is okay, I gotta go get those wings. Okay, BRB. Okay. No, I don't think this would work either. Maybe it would. No. Almost. So we're just going to leave this one right here for a second. I have a larger one that I just remembered I need. Okay. So one of these is going to be wrapped from little sister to big sister. And one's going to be wrapped from big sister to little sister. Bam. Yes, this is the next one I need. You have not been labeled yet, don't go far. But I don't know which. That one that's left is going to be to little sister from big sister, and big sister wants to wrap it. So I'm going to put the name tag to that one just in there, and then we're going to close this up and move it on over. And this, I just need to cut this is the one that's gonna be from little sister to big sister. I'm curious. No. Okay. Almost there. Can we just get it to connect? We can't. No. Okay, I am almost finished. At this point, I am just so tired. And I just want to eat my wings and get all warm and cozy in the bed and go to sleep. That is what is calling my name. I'm yearning for the comfort of my bed. Yeah, it's late. I'm ready to go to bed. Okay, it's happening. It's all happening. I'm getting lesser and lesser things that need to be wrapped. Ah, I would have preferred not dropping that, but hey. It's okay. I don't know exactly how to do this. Oh wait. This. And this. These two. And I guess I should just, okay, I wasn't sure if I was gonna wrap up my husband's stuff. But I guess I'll take my stuff out of that box and then wrap his stuff just in that box. I guess I should probably do that. I'm just getting it out of the way. I'm just so tired. I want to say, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. But also, why not just finish it? Just finish it. And then this is something of mine. I don't remember if I showed it, but it's got these sleeves, and then you tie it in the back. It's so cute. But I'm gonna have that in here with my makeup stuff. Some of this makeup I put in a gift basket for my niece. This is all mine. And then I need to just wrap up this this stuff. It's just beard care stuff that I am giving to me husband. I wonder if I should put something in there so it doesn't flip-flop around. I mean, it should really be fine as long as everything's, yeah, it should be fine. I feel like I've been using this way too much. Okay. Now, I'm almost finished round one. I guess we'll have like another video where I am wrapping presents again. Hopefully not as chaotic as this one, maybe a little bit more thought out. I thought that I had this planned and thought out, but Murphy's Law showed me something different today. I thought I had enough time to allot to it, but that was determined to be a lie. Because that was not how things was happening today. Let's see. I need to go season my wings. Okay.
And there we have it. My camera cut out again on the last present though. So hooray for holding out. All right, that's everything. See y'all later. Bye.